Hi everybody, so it's the 6th of August 2020 and we're going to take a look at some feedback from yesterday's live trading sessions. This is all part of the Dynamic Trader program, live sessions, 8 2-hour sessions each week where we're calling live trades using the indicators that our students are also using as well on their own devices. So, and this is the feedback from the students within the session last night. It was yesterday afternoon, sorry. Great session, loads of students making some fantastic profits as we're calling those trades as well. Predominantly trading the Dow yesterday afternoon from the open and some great moves. We're going to look at the moves in a second, but you can just quickly go through some of the feedback here. This chap here up 80 points, 180 points, 33, 186 for the week so far, 49 on the session, 155 for the week so far. So it's mixed numbers between whether it's just for that session or whether it's just for the week itself. But some great results overall from James, who was the trader in the session calling those opportunities as well. So there you go, some fantastic opportunities. Jeff there up 90 pips on the session, gave back 10. It's okay. Look, there are going to be loss-making trades. And you know what? After the initial couple of trades, it was a bit tough going for that session there. But that's okay. You know, day trading is not just about trading each trade in isolation. It's about trading the session. You get ahead and you maintain those profits. And you keep ratcheting slowly towards that daily target. And here you can see the first trade of the session straight out of the gate from the 230 open in the US stock market. So 232, there was the buy entry there on the close of that bar. Open at this new bar. Why is that the entry? Well, there's three core rules that we really need for a potential opportunity. Number one, arrow underneath us pointing up. Those green lines there, and in the top section or above the midline, if you like, of the price channel. So you need to be high prices. So we're buying high with a view to then selling it out at even higher prices. It's all about momentum trading, and whilst this is a big entry bar to jump on, that means it's got a lot of force behind it, a lot of volume, a lot of vigor behind it, and that can often lead to a fantastic upsurge in prices. And that's exactly what happened. Despite a pullback for the first sort of 2, 3, 4 minutes, this is a 2-minute chart, so each candlestick represents 2 minutes of time. The market then going on really nicely. Worst case, stopping us out here for around about a sort of 50 point, 45 point profit on that opportunity. And remember, some of our students getting around 90 points on the session. What happens from there is you start to look to manage that position. So you're up 1 or 2% for the session. You don't want to see that given back. So you're going to trade more tightly, but that's okay. And there's some great continuation trades there. One here, small opportunity there, but this one, really nice buy continuation from 27.095 and the market moving around sort of 30, 35 points or so. And when you're trading the Dow, particularly as we're moving into a slightly tighter range lately. And I say tighter range. The average true range is a tightening. So whilst the markets are moving and moving fast, we're returning towards the pre-COVID volatilities. So what you have to look to do is to look to take profits where you can on these opportunities. Something like 30 points on the Dow is a really good result, particularly when the stop loss in this trade was only about 14, 15 points. So that was a really good winning trading opportunity there as well. And that's really the tone for the rest of the session as we continue to ratchet higher. We were looking at picking up the buys as the market then resumed that upward trending direction. So overall, a really good result on the day, really great profits for the session, and really good profits for the week so far. So there you go. That's today's trade of the day for the Dynamic Trader program.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.